everyone, and welcome back to Ms. English Podcast, the cozy place where learning English is easy, fun, and full of real conversations. I'm Chloe, your English friend and guide.
Hello, Chloe. And hello, everyone listening. It's wonderful to be back today. How are you feeling, Chloe?
I'm doing really well, thank you. I had a nice calm morning. I did a bit of yoga, had some breakfast, and now I have my big mug of coffee right here. I'm happy and ready to start.
Ah, yes, your famous coffee. And look at me, I have my favorite tea again. I'm smiling already.
Of course, you and your tea. It's perfect. So, Ethan, are you excited about today's topic?
Oh, yes, very excited. We're talking about something fun, right? Somewhere people go often. Maybe the park?
Not this time. Today we are taking a trip, not outside, but inside a big building. It's full of lights, people, food, and hundreds of shops.
Ah, I think I know. Are we going to the shopping mall?
Exactly, you guessed it. Today's English trip is to the shopping mall, one of the best places to learn and practice new words.
Perfect. I really like the mall. It's a good place to go on weekends, especially when the weather is too hot or rainy.
I agree. You can eat, shop, relax, and even watch a movie. There's always something happening.
But before we start, let's say a big hello to everyone listening right now.
Yes! Welcome, everyone. We're so happy you're here learning English with us.
If you enjoy our podcast, please give it a big thumbs up, click the like button. It really helps us grow.
And don't forget to subscribe to Ms. English Podcast so you never miss a new episode.
Also, share this episode with a friend who is learning English. Studying together makes it more fun.
Perfect! Now, let's go to the mall. Our English adventure begins.
So, the shopping mall, it's a big place, right?
Very big. It's like a small city inside one building. There are shops, or as some people say, stores. Both words mean the same thing.
Right. There are so many different kinds of shops. Clothing stores, shoe stores, bookstores, toy stores, and even jewelry shops.
Don't forget the most delicious part, the food court.
Oh yes, the food court. That's my favorite place in the mall. It's a large open area with many tables and many small restaurants all around.
You can eat almost anything there: pizza, burgers, sushi, noodles, sandwiches, ice cream, and even coffee.
I usually get a slice of pizza. What about you, Chloe?
I love Asian food, so I usually get noodles or rice. The smell is always amazing.
The food court is the heart of the mall. You can hear people talking, laughing, and enjoying food from around the world.
So, we have food. What else do we see in a mall?
Many clothing stores. You can buy shirts, jeans, dresses, jackets, sweaters, and accessories.
Yes, and there's also a shoe store, full of sneakers, boots, heels, sandals, and slippers.
My favorite is the bookstore. It's peaceful and quiet. A perfect place to sit down, relax, and look at new books.
Same here. I could stay there for hours. And sometimes the mall even has a movie theater or a cinema.
Right. You can shop, eat, and then watch a movie all in one place. The mall really has everything.
Okay, let's imagine we're in a clothing store now. What do we see around us?
We see clothes for men, women, and children. There are shirts hanging, t-shirts folded neatly, pants on racks, and colorful dresses.
And jeans! So many jeans. Blue jeans, black jeans, they're so popular.
Yes. And jackets, coats, sweaters, everything you need for every season.
I see a beautiful red dress. It reminds me of the one I wore to my cousin's wedding.
Oh, yes, that was stunning. Did you buy it here at the mall?
I did! The mall is always useful.
Okay, now imagine I find a nice red shirt. I like it, but I need to know the size.
Right, sizes are important. We usually have small S, medium M, and large L. Some stores also have extra small XS or extra large XL.
What size are you, Chloe?
I'm usually a medium. And you?
I'm a large. So, I take the red shirt. But before buying it, I should try it on.
Exactly. You can try it on in the fitting room, also called the changing room.
So, I go inside, look in the mirror, and see how it looks.
Fits well. You can buy it.
Right? I go to the cashier, the person who takes the money.
There might be a line, a few people waiting to pay.
When it's my turn, the cashier scans my shirt, beep, and says, "That's $20, please."
So you can pay with cash or with a credit card or debit card.
I give my card and say, "Here you go." The cashier smiles, puts my shirt in a shopping bag, and hands me a receipt.
The receipt is very important. If you go home and change your mind, or if the shirt doesn't fit, you can return it with the receipt.
Good advice. Always keep your receipt.
Shopping is so much fun, but also a little bit tiring.
You're right. I'm hungry now. Let's go to the food court.
Great idea. Wow, look at all these people. It's busy but full of energy.
I see pizza, burgers, sushi, tacos, so many choices.
I think I'll get a cheese pizza today. Simple but delicious.
And I'll take a pepperoni slice. Let's also get 2 bottles of water.
Perfect. The person at the counter smiles and says, "Hello, what would you like?"
We answer politely. 1 slice of cheese pizza, please. And 1 slice of pepperoni pizza, please.
We pay, take our food, and find a table. Time to eat.
This pizza is really good. I think learning English makes food taste even better.
Maybe it does.
So, what should we do next?
Let's go to the bookstore. I love the smell of new books.
Yes, it's calm there. You can look at English novels, magazines, and travel guides. All great for learning.
Or we can go to the cinema and watch a comedy. A funny movie is always a good idea.
True. But wait. I'm walking around, and suddenly, oh no, I'm lost.
Lost in the mall? Don't worry. What do you do?
I can ask for help. I find a worker and say politely, "Excuse me, where is the bathroom?"
Perfect. Excuse me is the magic phrase. You can use it anywhere.
Excuse me, where is the food court? Excuse me, where is the shoe store? Excuse me, where is the exit?
Exactly. The worker helps you and says, "Go straight and turn left."
And now, I'm not lost anymore. I'm found.
See? The mall is full of English practice, reading signs, asking questions, ordering food, talking to cashiers. It's like a real English classroom.
Wow, Chloe, look at the time. We've been talking for a long time.
Time really flies when we're having fun and shopping.
I had such a great time today. I feel like I actually went shopping.
Same here. My feet are tired just thinking about it.
Well, that's all for today's episode, everyone.
Thank you so much for joining us at Miss English Podcast.
We hope you learned lots of new words and phrases about shopping and the mall.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
And we have a question for you.
Yes, in the comments below, tell us, what is your favorite shop at the mall?
Or, what do you like to eat at the food court? Do you love pizza like me, or something else?
Write your answers in English. We love reading your comments.
We really do. It's our favorite part.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye, Chloe. Bye, everyone.
Bye bye.